In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add your credit card to your Instagram account. It can either be a debit or any other card. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, you will have to scroll down onto the option of orders and payment. Then you will have to select payment methods right here. Tap on add payment method. Select credit or debit card. You will have to enter your card details to get added successfully. Whenever your card is activated, it will be a one-click away to make any purchase on Instagram. That's how easy it is to add your cards to your Instagram account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.